Hi everyone, it's Sandy here and welcome back to my channel. I did a video earlier on and I showed you guys a beautiful paper kit collection that was sent to me from one of an online store here in Australia called sassyscrapper.com.au. I did mention that they do have a large range of brand name paper products, embellishments, adhesive, project light cards. They do stock a lot of the names that we may already know, like Pink Fresh Studio, Cocoa Vanilla Studios, Prima Marketing Range. They have also Maggie Holmes and American Crafts. But the kit that was sent to me by Sassy Scrappers was a My Mind's Eye a Bliss collection, and so I did say that I wanted to make a few projects with that whole kit, and I was going to do project 1 video, a project 2 video, maybe a project 3 video. So this video will be project 1, and it's a flip book with pockets using one sheet of their 12 by 12 paper that was sent to me. And this is the paper here that I used. It's a really easy project, and I'm also going to show you how you can make this cute little flip book with just the one piece of 12 by 12 paper. I also use the embellishments that was also sent in the kit with the papers. So all the embellishments in here are these from this pack, their Bliss collection by My Mind's Eye. So I did use some of their embellishments from this pack. I also used the Prima flowers that was also sent to me in the kit as well, which are these two flowers here in the front. The book, I didn't even measure the book. The book, or flip book, measures 6 inches by 4.5 inches. So these are the embellishments, and they're the Prima flowers. I just made my own little clip just to keep the book closed, and it does hold a few things in here. The goodies that's inside the flip book aren't part of the kit, just all the embellishments and the paper. So I'm just going to show you how it looks like, and then I'll show you how to make this easy flip book. So when you open it up, it has 2 pockets. I just added some of my, like, they're just little scrap papers that I had, and I've just punched out some heart shape using my paper punch just to use as like a tab. And these are just some of the ephemeras that were in the pack, and I just added some washi in there as well. So that's in that pocket, and the embellishments on the pages are also from the same pack of in here. The actual, I think the Bliss collection is a wedding theme die cut collection, and also the papers, but I didn't use it as a wedding theme. I just used the ones that I thought didn't have that theme in it. These are the journaling cards that came in the pack, which is this one here, and I put them in this pocket because I'm going to do project 2 using these journaling cards as pages in a mini album. So I'm also going to do a mini album project, and having these as the pages, and I'll show you in the next video once I've made it, and also how you could make one as well. The book also has a side pocket, and I've just made a vellum bag and added some die cuts in there. I used one of their My Mind's Eye papers to do the topper. I don't think I have that here to show you which one it is, but yes, so that's the one of their papers, and that's also their embellishments, and that goes in here. And then you turn it over the next page, and you get another 2 pockets as well here, and I've just added an envelope in there. Some more of the embellishments from the pack, and these are just some of my tag die cuts, and that's also part of the collection, that one, but these ones are my one. And that's the back. So it is a nice nice paper. So if you are in Australia and you like this sort of paper, you can head over to sassyscrapper.com.au and have a look at their papers there. So I'm going to show you how you can make this book. So what you need is you need one piece of 12 by 12 paper, and depending if you're using a double-sided print paper, what you just want to do is decide which side you want as your front, because whatever side you want as your front will also be your pocket. And then what you want to do then is you want to have your paper facing down, so your cover will be facing down, and then we're going to just do some scoring. So what we're going to do is we're going to score it at 1.5 all the way to the bottom, and then we're going to score it at 10.5. Sorry, I forgot, and 6 inches. So you score it at 1.5, 6 inches, and 10.5. Then we'll just turn your paper, and then we're going to score it at 6 inches. And I'll just move this to the side. And then you just need your, we're just going to fold your outer fold lines first, and really press down on your fold, and then your other side as well. And then we're just going to make one cut with your scissors. You can use your paper trimmer if you like. I'm just going to use my scissors just to save time. So what we're going to do here is we're going to cut along the middle fold line or score line right up to the center. So we do that. So you'll have your flaps like that. And then what we're going to do here is we are going to then turn it this way. Oh, sorry, we're going to turn it upside down with the flaps on the top. We're going to then fold it over so that those folded, the folded flaps are on the outside. And just press that fold down. And then we'll turn that this way, and then you'll have it opened. So your left side here, we're just going to bring that over and fold that over to the right side and press that down, and then you'll have this back one, and that just goes back, and follow the fold line and just get them all to line up. And then your flip book is just about done. We've just got to just stick on a few pieces together. So then when you open it up, you should have your book open that way, and you'll have your flap there, and then you'll have a opening there which will be for your side pocket, and then when you turn that you'll get another folded pocket. So what we just got to do here, we're just going to glue a couple of pages here. So we're just going to open your first flap over first, and we're just going to apply glue to here, to the middle, and to the other side. So we're going to do that. And then what you can also do if you wanted to, like I have here, you can use your corner rounder punch and just corner around your corners if you like. I'm just going to put glue there, glue in the middle fold just up to that fold line and to the other side. And then we'll just bring that up and press that down, and that will create your pocket, your 2 pockets on your pages. And then once you've got that all dried, we'll just flip this up, and then we'll just apply glue to the fold line and to the bottom, and that creates your side pocket. So we'll just apply some glue there. It's a bit too much there. And to the bottom, and that will create your pocket on the side. And just bring that down and press that, and that should create that pocket in there, you can see. And then we'll just turn your page over, and we'll just apply glue and open that up to the the bottom flap. So just a bit of glue to that end, a little bit of glue to the middle and to the side here, and your flip book is all done. And then you just need to decorate it and add all of your fun package goodies, letters, your tags, whatever you like to add into your outgoing flipbook. So that's how you make it. It's really, really easy, just using one piece of 12 by 12 paper, and then you can just corner around your corners if you like with a corner rounder punch, just like that, if you wanted to, just to give it a neat finish to the corners, and also to that part and the last part. And there you have it, and there is your flipbook with pockets all ready for you to decorate. So I hope you enjoyed this project 1 project and tutorial, and I will be back with my next video with project 2, again using the My Mind's Eye Bliss collection from Sassy Scrapper. I'll also put the link down below for their online store and their Instagram page as well. You can have a look at some of their projects and their design team that have also used their products as well. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye for now.